All right, we're going to do a pretty redneck thing here. We've got everything hooked up. We've got the brakes all bled. We've got the shifter in place for the gears down there. We've got our drive shaft connected. It's temporarily mocked up on that piece of wood for the carrier bearing, but that's okay. It should be fine. What we're going to do is we're going to start it and get it to idle, and then we're going to pop it in gear and see. Just leave that open.
Yeah, I'm gonna leave it open so that way I can hear you.
Then we're gonna just put it around a little bit here. We're gonna waste our day doing that because that sounds like a great idea.
Yep.
So, got our starter wire here, and we'll give this thing a go.
It actually moves itself.
All right, so it idles really fast, and there's a lot of weight behind it when I put it into gear forward and back. So we got to adjust the idle way down. We got to do a bunch of stuff, but we just wanted to see if it would move with that drive shaft, and it does. It moves just fine. Yeah, it's thermostat opens and everything, so doing really well. So we'll we got to do some stuff like hook up this alternator and stuff. So we'll be back at you for when we get this thing ready to do an actual drive. Tony and Ray are going to be here tomorrow. We might get that bed on the back of this thing and be done with that part. So we'll see.